Hello everyone, welcome to Rkdecor channel. In this video we will watch the wooden staircase designs ideas up and down them several times a day. We do not always see our useful staircase as a thing of beauty. However, the wooden stairs are very beautiful. Very important part of home can become the most show topping price to an interior design using imagination and calculation. Consider to sheer size of this installation and how by making it more sculptural, more personally stylish and unique to space when we can manifest something many magnificent if when usually of staircase you see straight trades are sold, raises, com- complaint, spandrels, and dutiful banisters. Then the elevating gallery of 20 awesome staircase design will open you a whole new way to your home beautiful. Snake it to make it sharp metallic threads linked by oblique alternate sides are suspended on bravely their bluster threads. The single continuous price and metal fold into single continuous piece of metal so fold into itself like a snake in the old temperature game, always twisting but never touching. The accelerative staircase columns flow through the metals, vines, and wooden organs of the body of work. Planks, panel, and wooden cubides of are suspended on black frame work to fashion an offbeat tower with the sensitive selections. If you like my ideas, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.